Apple is hiding a massive secret right in plain sight. Everyone thinks WWDC 2026 on June 8th is just going to be another boring software event. People are expecting iOS 27, macOS 27, and iPadOS 27, and they think the story ends there. But they are completely wrong. This year, Apple is about to blindside the entire tech world. We have hard evidence that brand new, game-changing physical hardware is dropping at this exact event. Some of these products have been gathering dust for years without an update, and Apple is finally giving them the biggest power boost in history. If you think you know what Apple is planning, think again. Today, I am exposing every single hardware secret Apple is trying to keep under wraps until June. You absolutely need to hear this, especially the crazy details about a massive new 30-inch desktop that could change everything. Let us start with a product that Apple has completely ignored for way too long. I'm talking about the Apple TV. You guys have been begging for a new one, and the wait is finally over. The current Apple TV runs on the older A15 chip. It is decent for watching movies, but it has one fatal flaw right now. It absolutely cannot handle Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the massive new brain that will control everything in tvOS 27. The current hardware is just too weak to run these new smart features. This is exactly why a new Apple TV is mandatory right now. Insiders like Mark Gurman are reporting that the new Apple TV is already built. Millions of them are literally sitting inside hidden warehouses as we speak. Apple is just waiting for the perfect moment to strike. They have to release it now because app developers need the hardware to test out the new Apple Intelligence features. They cannot announce tvOS 27 without giving developers the box to run it on. We're going to see a massive A17 Pro chip stuffed inside this tiny box. It will turn your living room into a gaming powerhouse. We are also hearing heavy rumors about HDMI pass-through and lossless audio returning. Apple might drop this right before WWDC in May, or reveal it on stage and ship it the next week. Either way, the drought is over. But the living room takeover does not stop there. The HomePod and HomePod Mini are also desperately crying out for an upgrade. Just like the Apple TV, these smart speakers are currently too weak to run the brand new hyper-intelligent Siri. Apple is planning to turn the HomePod into the ultimate command center for a brand new HomeKit experience. To make this work, they need to rip out the old internals. We are expecting Apple to secretly drop new HomePods right around the WWDC timeframe. They will likely be powered by the incredibly fast S9 or S10 chips. This is the exact same silicon that makes the newest Apple Watches so snappy. You probably will not see a massive design change on the outside, but the inside will be a completely different beast. This will finally make talking to Siri feel like talking to a real human. Now, before I reveal the craziest Mac upgrades Apple has planned, I need to announce something huge for you guys. I am doing a massive international giveaway for a brand new Mac Mini with the M4 Pro chip. This computer is an absolute monster. I am giving it away to one lucky subscriber the second this channel hits 800,000 subscribers. We're dangerously close to hitting that goal right now. Entering is incredibly simple. First, you must be subscribed to the channel. I am only giving this to a loyal subscriber. So, hit that button and share this video with your family and friends right now. The faster we grow, the faster you can win. Second, drop a comment below and tell me what piece of technology you're dying to get in 2026. Is it the M5 Mac Mini, a PlayStation 5, or maybe a Nintendo Switch 2? Let me know down there. Third, and most importantly, you have to hit the notification bell. When we reach 800,000 subscribers, I am dropping a special video with a secure form you need to fill out to claim the prize. It will also have a date for the live stream where I pick the winner. If you do not have a bell turned on, you will miss the video and lose your chance completely. Also, please stay safe in the comments. Scammers are everywhere pretending to be me and asking you to message them on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will never do that. Ignore them and report them immediately. All right, let us talk about the real heavyweights coming to WWDC. The entire MACDA. top lineup is getting a massive overhaul, starting with the legendary Mac Mini. We just got the amazing redesign with the M4, so do not expect it to look any different. Apple will probably keep this exact shape until at least 2034. But the inside is getting the brand new M5 and M5 Pro chips. These chips are going to melt through heavy workloads. The ports will stay the same with Thunderbolt 4 on the base M5 and Thunderbolt 5 on the M5 Pro. You still get those handy USB-C ports right on the front. Now, listen closely because the pricing strategy is changing. The base price is going up by $100. It will likely start at $699 instead of $599. But wait, this is actually a massive win for you. Instead of starting with a tiny 256 gigabytes of storage, the new baseline will be 512 gigabytes. On the older model, paying for that storage upgrade cost an extra $200. Apple is basically giving you double the storage for half the usual upgrade price. The M5 Pro version will do the exact same thing, jumping up by $100 but starting with a massive 1 terabyte of storage out of the box. The 24-inch iMac is following the exact same path. The base price will jump to $1,399, but you finally get 512 gigabytes of storage as the standard. However, the biggest shocker is a rumor that Apple might finally shove an M5 Pro chip inside the iMac. To keep that crazy powerful chip cool, Apple would have to completely redesign the cooling system. This means we might see a slightly thicker iMac design just to handle the heat. This is exactly what power users have been asking for. But if a thicker 24-inch iMac does not excite you, brace yourself for the iMac Ultra. The streets are whispering about a gigantic 30-inch iMac Pro dropping at WWDC. This absolute unit would feature a jaw-dropping mini LED display with promotion just like the best MacBook Pros. Imagine having perfect blacks and insane brightness on a 30-inch canvas. Apple would likely put the terrifyingly fast M5 Max chip inside this beast. Now, I have to be honest. This is the biggest wild card of the event. It is definitely real and in development, but Apple might delay it. We just have to cross our fingers and hope it makes an appearance on June 8th. Finally, we have to talk about the king of the desk. The Mac Studio is desperately overdue for a refresh, and it is going to steal the show. The aluminum box design is staying exactly the same, but the chips inside will be borderline alien technology. Apple will start the lineup with the M5 Max, giving you incredible super cores and performance cores. But the real magic happens with the M5 Ultra. Apple is rumored to be packing an 80-core GPU and a 40-core CPU into this little silver box. The base storage will double, just like the other Macs. The M5 Max version will start at 1 terabyte, and the M5 Ultra will start at 2 terabytes. The prices will go up, but again, the math works out cheaper than buying the storage upgrades separately. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Studio and the M5 Pro Mac Mini are going to be the absolute stars of the show. When you're dealing with heavy workloads, especially cutting and exporting multiple videos where runtimes can easily stretch to 12 or 14 minutes long, you need a machine that refuses to lag. You want those timeline previews to stay perfectly smooth while scaling the UI and extracting layered audio. The M5 generation is going to deliver that flawless playback experience without breaking a sweat. These new desktop chips are going to completely change the game for anyone who needs raw, uninterrupted power day in and day out. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.